The Skyline is getting some shifter upgrades. We have a Gktech brass bush, Gktech clutch line, Gktech shifter return springs, no I'm not sponsored, they just make good stuff, a new OEM boot, and a new OEM shifter cup. This will transfer our worn and Haggerty parts to give us a nice crisp shifter and the clutch line to clean up and simplify underneath the car. This boot retainer piece is pretty rusty as well. We'll get a wire wheel and some new paint on it later. You can do all these upgrades with the gearbox in the car, but in my case the Skyline was getting new clutch and flyoil. And this job ruined me. The link will be in the comments. This rubber boot is split and I believe this was the culprit for the mess I found underneath the car. So that got a good soaking and spray, leaving it looking smick. The shifter assembly comes out after removing the C-clip and retaining clips. And the shifter return springs are removed via the side of the gearbox. If you're lucky and your gearbox is still under the car, you may need to trial some various sockets or spanners to fit. This kit comes with various options of spring stiffness and can even be stacked to fine-tune to your liking. I just went with a pair of their stiffest ones, and this is a test of them next to the standard spring. They can go in after a little thread sealer is applied to the new bolts and torques down. And to the guys that don't have their gearbox out, I hope your toast burns in the morning, because this job sucked. Now the clutch line. The old system is getting yanked out mostly because I want to simplify my lines. This is the setup we used to have. It went from our master cylinder, came down, our slave cylinder sits there, but it would come down, loop around, go into this clutch damper, do this big loop up the back of the car, come back through, and then to our slave cylinder. Is this just goes straight from the master cylinder down into the slave cylinder, so we cut out all this excess that hangs underneath the car. Run it behind the speedo cable. With some old brake line temporarily attached, with a vac hose on the end, the master cylinder can get bled.
Is it down? Yeah. And let it back up. And press it down again. Let it up. Press it down.
The shifter gets stripped of the broken boot and plastic bush, cleaned, then messed up with some fresh grease again, then your new brush bush can get pushed on. Play with more grease and spread it over the new cup and pretty much everywhere else that contacts something. Now this is where patience is key. If it's lined up, it will just drop straight in. Don't force it, don't hit it, don't swear at it. Just have a beer, come back and try again.
Oh, we're in. We are in.
Don't forget to chuck your C-clip and retaining clip in to stop that thing from popping out. I probably should have put something on the new boot to slip it on, but it made it without breaking. A metal flange thing can get magic mic'd before some paint and going in to finish up this job.